Every time you open an app, stream a video, use the cloud, or interact with an AI system, somewhere a server is working for you. But that server needs one thing before it can do anything: power. And here's something most people never think about. The electricity powering that server has traveled through an entire infrastructure before it ever reaches the rack. So let's follow that journey. It begins outside the data center. Electricity arrives from the utility grid and enters the facility through high-voltage electrical infrastructure designed to safely receive and control the incoming supply. But the voltage arriving from the grid isn't what the servers need. That's where the transformer comes in. The transformer changes the voltage to a level suitable for the data center's internal electrical distribution system. From there, the power moves through switchgear. Switchgear is responsible for controlling, protecting, and routing electrical power throughout the facility. But the journey doesn't end there. Because a data center can simply depend on the grid, the critical IT load needs another layer of protection. That's where the UPS comes in. An uninterruptible power supply provides conditioned power to critical equipment, and when the normal supply is interrupted, provides the immediate bridge that keeps the IT load running. Behind the UPS are battery systems that can provide while the backup power system responds. From there, power continues deeper into the facility. It reaches the data center's power distribution infrastructure, including systems such as PDUs, remote power panels, and rack-level distribution equipment. And finally, the electricity reaches the server. Think about that. The server sitting inside the rack is actually at the end of a much longer journey. Grid, transformer, switchgear, UPS, distribution, rack, server, and every stage has a job. One receives the power, another changes the voltage, another controls and protects it, another keeps the critical load running when the normal supply is interrupted. And the final distribution system delivers that power where it is needed. This is why a data center isn't simply a building full of servers. It is a carefully engineered electrical ecosystem designed to deliver power continuously, safely, and reliably. And the story is becoming even more important, because AI is changing the amount of computing power and therefore the amount of power and infrastructure that modern data centers need. The next time you see an AI application respond in seconds, remember this. Before the AI can think, before the cloud can respond, before your data can be processed, electricity has to make the journey first, from the grid to the server. That is the hidden power journey behind our digital world.